For thousands of years, wars were fought with strength, numbers, and physical weapons. No satellites, no radar, no AI, only human decisions. But today, war is driven by intelligence, data, and advanced systems. In ancient times, commanders had limited information. They depended on scouts, signal fires, and runners to deliver messages. Decisions were based on what they could see, not what they could calculate. Formations like shields, flanks, and cavalry charges were used to gain advantage. Without real-time communication, armies could be surprised. Delayed messages could change the outcome of entire wars. Commanders had to rely on timing, courage, and experience. One wrong decision could decide the fate of a kingdom. Modern warfare uses satellites, radar systems, encrypted communication, and data analysis. Commanders can see enemy movements in real time. Decisions are supported by technology and intelligence networks. Information travels instantly across the world, giving unprecedented strategic advantage. In modern war, knowing the enemy's position is often more powerful than firepower alone. Intelligence reduces risk, improves accuracy, and increases strategic control. Commanders can plan strikes, anticipate moves, and protect assets, all with real-time information. Ancient armies depended on physical strength, observation, and limited information. Modern armies depend on intelligence, real-time surveillance, and data analysis. Technology changed the battlefield, but strategy remains essential. Even with advanced technology, human decisions still matter. Strategy, leadership, and judgment remain at the center of every conflict. History shows that the side with better intelligence often wins. What do you think? Comment below.